Money was never just about buying things.
What the hell are you talking about?
From day one, money was about control. Let's go back. Early money systems started in places like Mesopotamia. Money wasn't coins, it was records of debt. Who owed who worked for who. Later gold and silver came in. Not because they were magical, but because they were scarce, durable, and controllable. Empires understood this fast. If you control the money, you control the army, the workers, and the population. Take the Roman Empire. When Rome wanted more power, they didn't just conquer land, they debased their coins. Same coins, less silver, more money in circulation. What happened? Inflation, loss of trust, collapse. Fast forward. Gold-backed money becomes paper. Paper becomes digital numbers on a screen. Today, money is created through banks' credit debt, and the rule never change. Those who control money control behavior. Money isn't evil, but not understanding money is dangerous. History already showed us that. Comment money for part 7.